Imagine trusting a stranger online and your whole life changed completely. That literally happened to me. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm Sarai, a normal stay-at-home mommy. I used to be a stressed out stay-at-home mommy. I was at a point to give up my stay-at-home mommy lifestyle to helping my overworked husband financially. I was just like any other mom, scrolling on TikTok just to escape my reality, just to get my mind off which bowl to skip. How are we gonna get through the month? Financial stress. I will just scroll on TikTok and I come across this mommy talks about how she's earning in US dollars, working 2 hours a day from her phone. And I was like, what is this? Can I do this? I don't have any qualifications. I don't have any tech skills. And the thing is this, you don't need any qualifications. You don't need marketing background. You don't need any tech skills. You need a phone. You need a system to follow and be coachable, willing to learn. And I hop on it. You guys, I was scared. I was clueless. I had no idea what digital marketing was at that point. But I just followed the process. I followed the system, and I end up being this system took me from being a straight out stay at home mommy to a stay at home mommy, start earning in dollars. Fast forward, I replaced my husband's overtime income with my 2 hour work a day. This Christmas hit different. I never thought that I would experience a calmness. I never thought that I would experience that you don't need to stress about money. You don't need to stress about how are your year gonna start. You don't need to stress about you don't have any savings because my 2 hour workday literally covers everything. If you are that stressed out stay at home mommy on the other side, babe, you want this season away from changing your life completely. If you want to know more how I went from being stressed out, overwhelmed to start earning in dollars, put a word me in my comments and I will love to equip